Hello, hi, welcome to my channel Divya Crochet World. Today we are going to learn how to crochet mini hats. Let's make this cute little mini hats. For this you need to take a blue color yarn and a 4.5 mm hook and make a magic ring and insert 6 single crochets into that magic ring. This completes the round 1. And when you move to round 2, you need to increase all around, that is inserting 2 single crochets into each stitch. After completion of round 2, you'll be having a total of 12 stitches. After completion of round 12, you will be having 12 stitches. Let's move to round 3. When we move to round 3, you need to do 1 single crochet in the first stitch, and in the next stitch you do 1 more single crochet, and in the third stitch you need to do an increase. Increase means you need to insert 2 single crochets into the same stitch. Like this you need to repeat 4 times. After completion of round 3, you will be having a total of 16 stitches. After completion of round 3, let's move to round 4. For round 4, you need to do single crochet all around, that is total 16 single crochets. That is in each stitch you will do 1 single crochet. Like this you need to do round 5 and round 6. Let's meet after completion of round 6. Like this you need to do round 5 and round 6. After round 6 completion, you need to move to round 7. For round 7, you need to do double crochets in each stitch all around. 2 double crochets in each stitch all around. For doing double crochet, you need to do a yarn over and go into the stitch. You need to insert 2 double crochets into each stitch all around. That is, after completion of round 7, you will be having a total of 32 stitches. This is the completion of round 7. Let's move to round 8. For round 8, you need to do slip stitch all around to create the rim. That is, you need to do total 32 slip stitches all around to complete round 8. Cut the yarn tail and fasten off and weave in the ends with the tapestry needle. Take an yellow color yarn and insert into the double crochets in a zigzag manner to form a border pattern. Hope you enjoyed making this mini hats. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and try to watch different videos in my YouTube channel. Thank you.